So if your schedule is about as hectic as mine, where we're working a lot, we've got kids, we've got family, my wife's going through a herniated disc back injury with potential surgery right now, unfortunately, some of our crypto portfolios and crypto knowledge and crypto experiences has gotten set aside, which sucks because we are always trying to look at making passive income. Now, if you're on this channel, you probably come here because of helium mining, block mining, the crappy Planet Watch situation, SCP, all these plug and play devices that helped us gain some kind of passive income. Algorand, you know, that's not a device, it's an actual cryptocurrency. But we touched base on a project a little bit ago. They did sponsor a video, and Party Finance is also sponsoring this video. And we want to double back because this is an opportunity that we can kind of set and forget and let our investment go, and we can party with a couple of people or a whole group, and we don't have to stress about doing the research, doing the digging, doing the growing. So with that, I wanted to do a quick video today showing you guys what the opportunity you could have into going into Party Finance and what ROI we could look at, especially as we start seeing a market recovery. We talked about this earlier when the market was in bear mode and going down, and this was a good opportunity to kind of start and go from there. So let's take a look and stay tuned.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by New Belgium Brewery out of Fort Worth, Colorado, and or Asheville, North Carolina. This is called the 1985 IPA. This is a mango IPA sitting at 6.7% alcohol by volume. Being that this is one of those more mass-produced, not necessarily, this is more of like a macro brewery instead of like a micro brewery beer. I'm gonna be disgraceful and drink it out of an aluminum can. But this is a mango IPA. Pretty solid mango aromatics. It has that fresh and fruity aromatic to it. And this is a little more juicy with a slight little bit bitter on the back end. A lot of mango forward flavor on the initial sip. We're going to give it a 3.5 out of 5. Cheers to you guys.
Since we've already talked so much during the intro, we're just going to jump right into it. You're going to want to go to app.party.finance, and then you're going to be on the screen here. You want to make sure that you have your MetaMask wallet and you have added the Polygon Network to the wallet. That I showed that in a different video. I'm not sure which one, but you want to make sure that asset's there. If not, you can just do a quick Google search, add Polygon to your MetaMask, and then all you'll need to do is just add the token, get the URL, the exchange, blah, 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 blah. This isn't the video for that. Anywho, you want to make sure you have Polygon because you see it is on Polygon. On Party Finance, you can actually use any Polygon-based token when you create parties, or you can just join parties that are already established. So let's take a look at some of the options now and see kind of how they have been performing. So right now there's about 5 parties listed in total, and they range everywhere from a minimum deposit of $5 all the way up to a max deposit of $100,000. And you can see their stats here. Really what these parties are is some individuals get together, they then kind of do a shared wallet experience, and then it goes into trading and profiteering from there. So if you've got someone that's like a trade guru that knows what to look for, that is actually good at reading TA and isn't like TA when it's just poorly read based on market, you can kind of allow them to be like your party leader to assist in the trading and so on and so forth. So let's look at just right here, one huge eruption. They are looking at a 23.52% ROI. There's currently 10 members in there, all the way down to this large party down here, DCA with DeFi Daddy, which DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. Back when I used to do crypto hopper videos, I talked about that all the time. And what DCA dollar cost averaging stands for is, let's say you buy a token, and we're just going to really dumb it down to simple numbers. You buy a token at $10. You just buy one, okay? And then let's say that token drops down by, to $5, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose money if I took my profit, or if I took my money back out right now, I'd be down 50% of what I put in. So you don't want to do that necessarily because you believe the token's going to get back to $10 or get somewhere close. So then what you do is you end up buying another token for $5. So now you have 2 tokens. One you bought at $10, one you bought at $5. If you put the average of those 2 tokens together, you would then need that price to jump up to $7.50 to be breaking even. And then of course, if it goes up ever even higher, then at that point you're in profit. So if you, let's say, buy at 10, buy one at 5, token, you have $15 invested in that token. If that token goes back up to its regular price of $10, now if you were to take profit on your 2 tokens, you're actually in the profit of $5. So this is DCA with DeFi Daddy. And that might be what they kind of play on their party. So let's take a look at their party here. Minimum deposit is $5. Max deposit is $100,000. Their total balance right now is $44,025.28. And this is sitting at an ROI of 5.55% with 22 members. Let's go ahead and take a peek at that party. This party is for DCAing back into the market during the bear cycle. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Time to get greedy, guys. Let's start scaling back into BTC and ETH over the next few months. Do not put all your money in at once. Wait for red market days and do 10% every time and see the market go down. So every time it looks like they want you to jump into this party, and I believe they're probably doing some trading pairings on USDC with Ethereum or Bitcoin. So every time it goes down. And I was kind of thinking about doing this myself as well, where if Bitcoin was under 20,000, we buy a little bit, and then when it goes over 20,000 we sell it off. But right now we're looking at this party, and they've got, like I said, a total of 42,930, and there's been only $1,289.94 in the withdrawals, and you can see the balance has gone down just a smidge because of that withdrawal. Well, not really. Like, the total deposits were already in profit, but the profit's down 2% right now. But you can see right here, total profit is at $2,384.73 for this party. And that, it's pretty solid there. Again, that's got 22 different members to it. So we do have to become a party member to see the portfolio and the transaction list. Looks like they do have some announcements. They haven't done anything recently. Activity we can't see, but we can invite others and other friends to join. And this one might be one of the more viable options when I'm looking at the activity on the parties here. So let's go back to the parties. And my internet is not loading. All right, cool. And we look at the other parties, and you see $100 max deposit, $100 minimum deposit. Balance is 1,234.8 with 10 members. This one's a little weird to me. Lunatics, they're sitting at a min deposit, unless this was changed recently. Min deposit 10,000, max deposit 10,000. Balance is only $355. So that one's a little weird to me. 3 members. This one's got 1 member, min deposit 10, 100,000. But this one has no max deposit infinite. Min deposit is 50. I think the DCA with DeFi Daddy would probably be the safest bet. You want to throw $5, $10, $20, $50, $100 in there. Not financial advice, but if this was something that you were interested in dabbling in, this would be probably the way I would go as well. And I probably can definitely scrape up $5 from something on here and throw that in there and kind of see what the results would be going forward. As this platform continues to grow and expand and other parties get created, I would feel comfortable starting as low as $5 just to test a platform to bring you guys content. Of course, you can create your own party. I'm not going to do that. Unfortunately, I just don't have time to do that. You can tell by the quality and the content of these videos how they're few and far between. But if you guys are subscribed, that'd be greatly appreciated for when these actually do come out. But if we were in a better position to make more content for you guys, we could definitely create our own party. So we're probably going to take a stab at DCA with DeFi Daddy. Just put a little bit in there that we're going to scrape up and go from there. Bink! Anyway, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Again, sorry about the sporadic schedule. Trying to get content as much out as possible. Might be trying some new things here in the future that really lets me kind of create content on my schedule and bring it out. So it's not necessarily like my same day shoot, same day upload kind of thing. So just be patient with me. Like the video, comment, subscribe, do your own research on all that. Not financial advice. This video was sponsored by Party Finance. All that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. I'm O'Prius. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, hey guys. We also stream over on Twitch, so if you want to hang out and join us, link in the description. You can follow us, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1. Really love to see you guys over there. And also other social media information is in the description of this video. So we'll see you guys next time.